This is Gary Davidson, and I head the real estate practice group at Castle Law. New construction. This is an area that also has a lot of pitfalls and perils. I always like to joke that it's a good thing that contractors exist, otherwise, lawyers would have the worst reputation. So, when we're buying new construction, most times we have contracts that have very few specifics on the scope of the work, the cost of the work, and the time frame of the work. So scope of the project, the time frame of the project, what fixtures are going to be used, what type of carpeting, what tile, what color paint. All of these things can cause a transaction to go sideways. Furthermore, are there warranties on the work? Are the statutory warranties excluded, or are they providing a written warranty? All sorts of things that can happen in new construction that require very, very detailed and specific things. This is no different than a marriage. You need to outline the responsibilities of the parties at the beginning. Otherwise, no one knows who's responsible for what. The biggest thing that I see is people come in and they meet a builder, they know them, they like them, they trust them. And generally speaking, when we see problems, it's not because the builder did something that they weren't supposed to do, or that they failed to do something that they should have done, or that a buyer is actually being unreasonable. The most common thing is that there was never a meeting of the minds to begin with. So you had a perception of reality of what this home was going to look like, and the seller or the builder had a totally different perspective on what that house would look like. Because again, we're not buying a TV from Best Buy and we know that it's a Sony model 1234. We're talking about a house that's being constructed ground up. So having a very, very detailed contract with respect to scope, budget, making sure that you're running things through a title company with construction escrow and lien waivers. I've seen clients spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on litigation by not having a good contract on the front end. So there's nothing in the law, and when it comes to real estate, where the concept of an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure is more true than in new construction. So if you have a new construction build, please contact us, the real estate group here at Castle Law, and we'll help you minimize your risk and maximize your return.